Welcome back to Boss Gadgets. Today, we're looking out for the furry ones. 17 Amazon deals for dog owners right now. Let's get into it. The Honest Kitchen makes dry dog food from 100% human-grade ingredients. Ranch-raised beef, beef liver, carrots, in a certified human food facility. Currently 25% off at $26 for a 5-pound bag. Not feed-grade filler, actual food. Cold pressed into clusters and slow roasted to keep the flavor intact. For anyone who reads the ingredient label on their dog's food and immediately regrets it, this is the straightforward alternative. The rabbitgoo dog harness is $16 right now, 20% off, and the 2-clip system is what makes it worth talking about. Front clip on the chest stops pulling during training walks, back clip for casual jogging or hiking. 2 fast-release buckles mean it goes on and off without a wrestling match. 4 adjustable straps get a precise fit, padded lining keeps it comfortable on longer walks, and reflective strips mean night walks aren't a gamble. Full Moon's beef sticks are made from free-range beef, cassava root, celery, and rosemary. That's the actual ingredient list. At $18 for 22 ounces with 10% off, the price per treat is reasonable for what's actually in the bag. USDA human-grade standards, made in small batches in the US. For dogs that get weird reactions to filler-heavy treats, this is a clean option worth keeping around. 2 XL rope toys for $13, one at 27 inches, one at 20, both built for large dogs that destroy everything else in a week. 100% natural cotton, washable, and the fibers actually work like floss between teeth during chewing. No synthetic materials, no questionable dyes. For aggressive chewers specifically, the 4 and 5 knot designs give them something to work through instead of shredding it in one session. Milkbone has been around since 1908, which at this point is just a fact about dog treats. The soft and chewy chicken recipe uses real chicken breast, works for dogs of all sizes, and comes fortified with 12 vitamins and minerals. 25 ounces for $14.47 with 7% off. Nothing complicated here. It's a reliable everyday treat that most dogs already like. Sometimes the straightforward option is just the right call. The BLACK+DECKER pet hair roller is $14 and skips the disposable tape sheets entirely. Reusable roller, translucent window shows when the bin is full. One button empties it out. Rubber grip makes it comfortable to actually use instead of avoiding the couch for another week. For anyone going through sticky lint roller refills constantly, this pays for itself pretty quickly. Roll, empty, done. At $46, this is on the premium end, so the ingredient list matters. Turkey tail, reishi, lion's mane, chaga, cordyceps, turmeric at 95% curcuminoids, functional mushroom blends that have actual research behind them for immune support, gut health, and joint mobility. The 8:1 extract ratio means it's concentrated, not filler. Vet formulated, made in the USA, no artificial preservatives. 120 chews per bag. The Arc Naturals brushless toothpaste chew handles it without the actual toothbrush fight. At $22 for 18 ounces, it's a reasonable daily habit that saves a lot of grief down the road. The textured ridges and chewy toothpaste center work along the gum line to reduce plaque and tartar during normal chewing. No corn, soy, wheat, or artificial ingredients. Formulated specifically for large breeds between 40 and 80 pounds. 36 ounces of Milkbone minis for $11.47, 3 flavors, beef, chicken, and bacon, 5 calories per treat, 12 vitamins and minerals. The crunchy texture helps with tartar, which makes it more than just a snack. Good for dogs of all sizes and easy to use for training without overloading on calories. At 21% off, this is just a solid everyday treat canister that's hard to argue with. Hemp oil with omega-3, 6, and 9 for $9. This one is straightforward. Dropped straight into food or applied topically, dosed by weight. The fatty acid blend supports joint comfort, skin health, and coat condition, and the calming effect can help with anxiety, separation stress, and excessive barking. No artificial colors, dyes, or synthetic ingredients. 3 nylon chew toys for $15, 36% off right now. Built for dogs between 15 and 100 pounds, bone-shaped, bacon-flavored, and tough enough to outlast most things a aggressive chewer can throw at it. Nylon holds up longer than real bones and won't splinter. 10 minutes per chew session is the recommendation, which keeps it lasting longer. Elevated bowls matter more than most people realize, especially for larger dogs. Stooping down to floor level for every meal puts strain on the neck and back over time. The Jovrun stand adjusts to 5 different heights between 3 and 12 inches, so it works from puppy through senior. At $21 with 32% off, this is a straightforward upgrade for any medium to large dog. The plastic cone of shame is miserable for everyone involved. The Supet inflatable donut collar is the alternative. Soft, lightweight, and comfortable enough that dogs can actually sleep in it without fighting it off all night. The detachable shield still blocks licking and biting at surgical sites without killing peripheral vision. At $29 with 10% off, it's worth having on hand before the next vet visit makes it urgent. Getting a dog to take medication is one of those things that sounds simple until it isn't. Greenies pill pockets are the straightforward fix. Drop the pill in, pinch it closed, hand it over. Vet recommended, 30 treats per pouch, 840s with 16% off. The chicken flavor masks the smell and taste of the medication well enough that most dogs don't notice. The FAFAFROG bark collar uses beep and vibration only, no shock. The smart chip reads vocal cord vibration to distinguish actual barking from ambient noise, which cuts down on false triggers. At $38 with 24% off, it's a reasonable starting point for consistent bark training without going straight to harsh methods. 5 sensitivity levels let you dial it in for the dog's specific bark pattern. 2 stainless steel bowls for $12. Rust-resistant, dishwasher-safe, rubber base keeps them from sliding across the floor. 38-ounce capacity each, works for food or water. No odor retention like plastic, no BPA concerns. This is the kind of purchase that just makes sense: durable, easy to clean, and they last years. Hard to overthink it at this price. $4 for 2 collapsible travel bowls with carabiners included. Clips onto a backpack, belt loop, or dog leash. Folds flat to ½ an inch. Holds 12 ounces expanded. Dishwasher safe, 2 colors so food and water stay separate. This is the kind of thing that lives permanently on a hiking pack and never needs replacing. At $4 with 28% off, there's no reason every dog owner doesn't have a set.